So at first you have to choose what size of flyers you want to design. Generally we have A4 size paper which is 210 and 297 millimeter, but there can be letter size paper also which is slightly different from the A4 size. A5 size is generally half of A4. If you want to print two flyers in a single page, then you have to select A5. And now you can see the other sizes in the charts also. Now after opening the Adobe Photoshop file, click File, New. From the New Document window, you have to specify width and height. Now choose width and height in millimeter. And you have to choose the pixel into 300 pixel per inch and hit create button, and before that you have to select the color mode to CMYK. So RGB is generally for web purpose and CMYK is generally for print purpose. So by using ruler I am giving trim line to each side of my canvas area. So why am I giving this? Our finished size is 210 and 297 millimeter, but there are some other terms like bleed area and safe area. Bleed area, the extra space that extends beyond the final trim size of your design, and the safe area, the inner margin inside the trim line where all important content should stay. The trim line is the 210 and 297 millimeter. So I have created a rectangle using rectangle tool and specified the size of rectangle to 204 and 291 millimeter, which is safe area. I have centered it by selecting both layer, and then I remove the fill color and I give the stroke to specify the corner. So this is the safe area, no text or important design part should go beyond it. Then I have changed the canvas size to 206 into 303 millimeter. And now our worksheet is ready to work. Thank you.